Hello, I'm John Baker from ISIS. I'm here for GPCA TV in Dubai at the 13th Annual GPCA Forum. I'm talking to Yousef Benyan, Vice Chairman and CEO of SABIC, but largely in his role as Chairman of GPCA. So Yousef, thank you for joining us here. I'd like to talk about the theme of the forum to begin with and ask about how the industry is transforming in the region.
Well, again, I think this year's theme is very important because we are trying to energize the industry to transform and also benefit from the growth that the industry is going to experience coming years. And we've been very clear that the industry is going through a rapid transformations. And I think this forum is going to be the best platform for the business partners and companies and specialists on this particular industry to take advantage of it. And we have been bringing more than 44 speakers that they have coming from different regions. They have different experience, different backgrounds in order for them to share their view of our industry and the opportunities and challenges the industry facing this year and 2019 and beyond.
Right, and one of the ways the industry is transforming is through consolidation and M&A activity. Can you comment on that?
Well, I think you have attended the last forum on 2016 and 2017, and I've been very clear through the GPCA that industry has to transform. They have to consolidate. I think there are a very clear elements of success need to be instilled in our industry. We need to have a global footprint. We need to have enough investment in technology and innovations. You need to be connected with the customers. And more importantly, you have to have a global footprint of assets that enable you to become really competitive. Therefore, there are consolidations required in order for small and medium-sized players to cope with those criteria. And I have to say I have not seen the progress that I wish to see, and hopefully this year, the industry players are really taking advantage of this forum to create a future view on their industry for 2019 and beyond.
And what role can GPCA play in pushing this forward?
Well, GPCA, is my view, is the only, by the way, platform in the GCC, and it's become also a global, event for our industry. This GPCA is going to provide the platform, provide the opportunities for people to network, and also bring a specialist who are going to provide them with an outlook of our industry, either from technology innovations or feedstock availability or human resource capability. And more importantly, there are also some challenges that we're going to face through digitizations, and artificial intelligence that is going to play a major role in our industry. So the GPCA is the best, catalyst for the industry to get advantage of this forum. And we are very, very excited about this forum, especially this year. We have, as I said, we have more than 44 speakers, and I think they will really enrich the discussions.
Right. And outside the forum, what role is GPCA progressing?
Well, I think the GPCA has also a very important role of playing the advocacy program for our industry, connecting with the regulators. So we're trying to also connect with the regulators to give them few elements about, one, the importance of our industry to the GDP growth of those nations. Two, that we are part of the solution for our sustainability on the energy side. Three, we are also providing the best platform for basically having a place for our youth. Our industry employs more than 880,000 jobs, direct and indirect. In addition, we are enjoying the growth. Last year in 2017, we have 17% increase in our revenue in the GCC. It's more than 84 billion US dollars. And I think we are telling the regulators that this industry has a vital role to play on the GDP growth in that region.
Right. And looking forward, what are the main challenges you see ahead for the industry in GCC?
Well, I think the major challenges that the industry is facing, which they need to transform, there are new players coming, and they are not only new players and competitors, but also they have an advantage of their own markets. North America through the shale gas developments, and China through the coal to chemicals. And I think those two markets, they were a market recipients of our product. Now they became our competitors, and they have an advantage over us in terms of market availability. Therefore, our industry, they need to transform like what I have mentioned earlier, they need to make sure that they are consolidating their assets and bringing it into a more competitive and enable them to go and invest globally and have a global footprint to minimize their exposure to the cyclicality of our industry and ability also to invest in innovations and connect with the customers, because customers right now need that connectivity in order for you to understand their needs and provide solutions. As of today, we don't provide the products. We are providing solutions to our customers.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.